Hey friends, my name's Jessica. Today we're going to start a new little series called The Sound of the Day. So be on the lookout from videos from me and from other clinicians that have different sounds for us to practice while we're at home. The first sound that we're going to do today is the P sound. Let's learn together how to make our P sound. The P sound is made by putting your lips together and then pushing the air through. When you make the P, P, P sound, you do not need to have your voice on. This is just air going through your lips. You're pushing the air through your lips. Ready? Let's practice together. P, 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 P. I like to call this the popping sound because it sounds like you're P, P, popping the air right out of your lips. I'm going to go around my house today and see what things I can find that start with the P sound. Want to come with? Let's go. One thing that I found that starts with our P sound is a picture frame. This is a picture of my dog. The picture frame starts with our P, P, P sound. We're pushing that air through our lips. Picture frame. Let's see what else I can find. Look what else I found. I found a pan, a P, P, pan. The pan also starts with our P sound. Let's see if I can find one more thing. Now, I'm going to look in my refrigerator and my freezer and see if I can find something that starts with the P sound. Let's look. I found a popsicle, a popsicle. Thanks for going around my house with me today and helping me find things that start with our P sound. Now it's your turn. Go around your house and find 2 or 3 things that start with the P sound. Then in the comments below, post pictures, videos, or just have your parent help you type in the different things that you found. I can't wait to see what you find. Also, remember, be on the lookout for more Sound of the Day videos from me and other clinicians as we practice our sounds while we are home.